Hey everyone, welcome back to the basement. And I know a lot of you have these fireproof boxes, and these are great for documentation, everything like that. The only downside is there's generally not a lot of space inside them. Today we're upgrading from this fireproof box to this safe. This is a 3 cubic foot safe that we're going to install in the house here, and we're going to use this from now on for our documents, jewelry, anything that we want to keep in the house that we want to keep safe. Let's take a bit of a closer look. So I picked this safe for a couple reasons. First is the size. This is one of the bigger safes that I found online. The second reason on the outside here is the keypad. This digital keypad allows me to put in a code anywhere from 3 to 8 digits long. So you can personalize it for what you feel comfortable with. Now the keypad itself is powered by 4 AA batteries. I know everybody worries that those AA batteries will eventually go dead, but that's where this centerpiece comes in, because there is keys that come with this, so you can unlock this manually if need be. The next reason I bought this is this removable shelf right here. It's kind of hard to see in the video, but there is a shelf right here and you can take this out. So you can use all 3 cubic feet as you see fit. Surprise bonus thing was this fireproof bag that comes in along with it. I could put some documents in here, throw this in here. It's even going to protect it a little bit further. As far as the front door, there's a battery compartment right here, and that's where you put the 4 AA batteries. And to reset your code, all you have to do is there's a red button on the side here. Push that button, you'll hear 2 beeps. You put your new code in, you hit A or B, and your code is set for you, so it's personalized from there on out. You can see these 20mm thick steel bars. That's what keeps it locked behind this wall right here. And one more little bonus feature that it has is a light on the side here, so you can see the items that you're getting if it is kind of dark for you. Now installing this, one thing you got to know is this safe is not very heavy. I'd probably say it's somewhere between 20 and 30 pounds. So somebody could take this and just walk away with it. That's where these come in. There's 4 bolt holes for this, 2 in the back, 2 in the bottom. Ideally, you want to mount it to the floor and then to the wall, and that's going to make it very difficult to get the safe out of the room. But what you really want to know is would I recommend it or would I buy it again? Yeah, I would absolutely recommend this. This is one of the larger safes that I found online. 3 cubic feet is a pretty good size, and the fact that I can take that shelf out and put large items in here or keep the shelf in and keep things separated works great for me. I love the fact that it has a digital keypad on it and it's easy to reset. Comes with a manual key lock, so I'm never locked out of this even if the batteries die. There is a light on here that will let you know when the batteries are low, so you won't ever have to worry about that. You can pop open the safe, change the batteries, and then you're good to go again. The fact that it has dual mounting points on the back and dual mounting points on the bottom means that this will be very secure for a long time once you put it in place. So as always, I hope these short reviews help with your purchasing decision, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your shopping day.